Hi friends, it's Lele, Mr. Kind's very good friend, and today we're going to learn the dance moves to Mr. Kind's birthday song. Are you ready? Let's go!
Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. You're 1 year older today.
First, we're going to start by shaking our hip to the right. We go to the right, and then we go to the left. Excellent job, everybody. Should we try that again all together? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right, to the left. Well done, everybody. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Now, from here, we're going to add our arms. Our arms are also going to go to the right, to the left. Let's try that with our hip. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right, to the left. Well done, everybody. I think we can try that one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We shake to the right, shake to the left. Excellent job. Give yourselves a big clap. Now, from here, we're going to step our right foot forward, our left foot forward, our right foot back, and our left foot back. Let's try that a little faster. We go right, left, left. Amazing work. Now, we're going to add our arms. I want you to reach for the sky, and then reach for the ground, reach for the ground. Have you got it? Let's try that again. We're going to reach for the sky, reach for the sky, reach for the ground, reach for the ground. Amazing job. Let's try that with our feet. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. Well done, everybody. Now, I think we should try that from the beginning without music. Are you ready? Amazing. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hip to the right, hip to the left. Reach up, down. Well done, everybody. You guys are doing a great job. Let's try that one more time without music. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right, to the left. One more time. Excellent job. Reach for the sky, to the ground. Amazing job, everybody. You guys are doing so well. Should we try that with music? Let's do it! Are you ready, everyone? And shake your hips. Reach for the sky. Good job, everybody. Well done. That was amazing. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now, I think we're ready to continue. Are you ready? Fantastic. Okay, from here, we're going to rainbow our arms around like this. Do you like rainbows? Because they're my favorite. Well done. Now, I think you did such a good job that we can add our legs. Can you add our legs? Perfect. We're going to step our right leg out and then our left leg out. Amazing. Let's try that one more time. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We rainbow around. Great job, everybody. Let's try that one last time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step your right leg out, left leg out. Great job. Now from here, we're gonna open our arms like this, and we're gonna take a big spin on ourselves. Amazing. Now, should we try that all together? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We rainbow around and spin on yourself. Great job. Let's try that one more time. And don't forget to have a beautiful big smile. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We rainbow around, and spin on yourself. Great job, everyone. You're doing so well. Should we try that from the top without music? Amazing. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right, go to the left, reach for the sky, to the ground. One more time. Well done. And up, down, down. We rainbow around, and spin on yourself. Well done, everyone. You're doing a fantastic job. Now, should we try that one last time without music? Very good. Let's try it a little faster this time. And don't forget to show me your beautiful smiles. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We shake our hips. Good job. Reach for the sky, to the ground. One more time. You're doing so well. Now from here, we rainbow around, and spin on yourself. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That was amazing. Now I think we're ready to try it with music. Are you ready? Let's go! Are you ready, everyone? To the right and up, down, down. One more time. Great job. And rainbow around and spin on yourself. Well done, everyone. Give yourselves a big clap. That was amazing. And because it was so amazing, I think we can learn the final steps of the routine. Are you ready? Oh, amazing. Okay, now who here likes monkeys? You do? So do I. So this is my favorite step of the routine. I want you to show me your monkey arms like this. We're gonna swing them to each side. Fantastic. Keep going, everyone. I love it. Now we're going to add our feet. So we're gonna step our right foot forward and then our left foot forward. Very good. Shall we try that with our monkey arms? Amazing. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We monkey arms. Great job, everybody. Now from there, we're going to do 4 walks. We walk. Great job. Shall we try that all together? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our monkey arms, and right, left. Well done, everybody. You're doing an amazing job. Now, if you want to try something a little crazier, I want you to jump the last 4 walks. Do you want to see what that looks like? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Monkey arms, and jump. Amazing job, everybody. That was so good. Should we try that one last time? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Monkey arms, and jump. Well done. That was great work, everybody. Now, I think we should try it from the beginning without music. Are you ready? So am I. Let's do it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We shake to the right, shake to the left. We reach for the sky, reach for the ground. One more time. Well done. For the sky, for the ground. We rainbow around, and spin on yourself. Monkey arms, and jump. Well done, everybody. I know that was a lot of dance moves, but you're doing amazing. Let's try that one more time, a little faster without music. Are you ready? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And shake to the right, shake to the left. Reach for the sky, reach for the ground. One more time. Great job. And right, left, left and rainbow around, spin on yourself. And monkey arms, and jump, 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 jump. Well done, everybody. That was so good. Now, are you ready to try it from the top with music? Let's do it! Are you ready, everyone? Now shake your hips and up, down, down. One more time. Great job. And rainbow around and spin on yourself. Monkey, and jump, 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 jump. Well done, everybody. That was fantastic. But I think we can do it one last time. And this time, I want you to have the most amount of fun you could ever have and show us all your beautiful big smiles. Are you ready? Let's go!
Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. You're 1 year older today. It's time we celebrate.
Well done, everybody. You did such a fantastic job. I'll see you soon for more Mr. Kind dance tutorials. Goodbye.